Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Rose Inc. They sent me this lovely gift set. This is the Brightening Essentials gift set. So it has the Radiant Reveal. This is a brightening serum. It has a Hydration Replenish. That's a micro-encapsulated moisturizer. I love the sound of that. That sounds so high-tech. Sounds really cool. They sent me the Eye Revival Brightening Eye Cream, and they sent me a spa headband. Love it. I'm thinking of going blonde again, so those headbands definitely come in handy when I'm doing my makeup to keep the makeup out of my soon-to-be blonde hairline. But love the packaging. I don't know, I love this color. It's a very, would we call that a dusty mauve rose? What would we call this color? I love it. But so the set retails for $66, but all these items priced out individually equal $114. So this is a great deal. I do have a link down below for you, and I have a discount code for you. If you use the discount code, you get a discount, and I also do get a small commission, so full disclosure. So I have not tried this yet, but I do love the packaging and how it gives you a heads up of what everything is inside. So it's a collection to renew, illuminate, and hydrate the complexion. Now, who doesn't need renewal, illumination, and hydration in their skincare today? So, beautiful box that I see myself completely reusing to keep things organized. Let's go ahead and open this up. And of course, I'm at a weird angle, so of course I'm having trouble opening it, but it is actually easy to open. So we got Rose Inc. on the inside. And then I've already opened this and looked at it, but I haven't used any of the products yet. But it is a lovely presentation. So there we've got the serum, we've got the moisturizer, we've got the eye cream. So yes, this is the serum, the little one here. This one's actually the eye cream, and this is the moisturizer. Let's check out the textures, shall we? Should I put on the headband? Is that what you guys want to see me do? Put on a headband? There we go. No, but I do have makeup on right now, obviously. So I won't be trying to skincare at this very moment. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely probably see me post more about this. But let's take a look. So this is the serum. That's a nice, generous amount. And I'm sure, as with most serums, you usually don't need much. Probably one pump is probably enough for the entire face. Let's see what it feels like. It's very lightweight, super duper hydrating. Yeah, that feels like a drink of water for the skin. I notice a slight fragrance maybe. Interesting. Or that could actually just be my perfume. Now I think it is this. It has a slight scent to it, but it smells pretty. It's a pretty fragrance, but I'll have to just see how that works. So this is the Eye Revival Brightening Eye Cream. Morning and night, gently massage around the entire eye area for visibly brightening, soothing effect, or smoothing actually. So let's take a look-see. Again, a nice amount came out, nothing crazy. That feels really nice. Again, really hydrating. Like, that's the first word that really comes to mind is hydrating. Absorbs, yeah, my skin absorbs that nicely. It's non-greasy, it's not sticky or tacky. And there is a slight scent, but again, really subtle. I can't really place it. And sorry, I do have some random scratch on my hand. Who knows how I did that? Always getting random scratches, not from my cat. This is Rose Inc. Hydration Replenish. This is micro-encapsulated moisturizer. That sounds so cool. So let's take a look at it. Okay, we got the little lid here to protect everything. Oh wow, that looks really cool. I don't know, whoops, I dropped it. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but there are little micro capsules in here. Let's see if we can try to zoom in maybe. Little micro capsules. The texture looks really interesting. And here, I got a little scoop. I'll use this to pull some out. Let's put that on my hand again. And the capsules instantly break up once you massage them in. That's really interesting texture. And as you can see, that's like super duper beyond hydrating. I keep saying everything feels like a drink of water for the skin, but it really does. It's just that ultra hydrating. Ooh. Yeah, this one definitely has a slight rose scent to it. Very subtle, not overwhelming, not perfumey either. Very natural smelling. That is, I'm really intrigued by this. If any of you have tried Rose Inc. down below, I'd love to hear about your experience with these products. So let's go ahead and pop these back in. So thank you very much, Rose Inc., for sending me this to share with my subscribers. So yeah, guys, go ahead and get yourself 20% off on the website using my code. I'll have it on the screen here. I'll have the direct link down below for you to check out. Very cool. And of course, we've got the headband. I'm sure I appreciate that. Skincare headbands are always nice to have. There we go. Very good. Well, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and leave me some questions and comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you comment, I do reply to your comments because I love it when you guys interact with me. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.